And then I started to learn the biggest mistake everyone else is making in the adult education or higher education or executive education is that they are doing the same mistake what our education system is doing at a broader level, right? They want to put together everything. They want to bundle everything. They want to overload the dose for you and give that dose to you and say, you are good to go now. So this was done during our earlier time with the 18, 20 years of education. Then even in the ongoing training, job training or executive training you get, usually there are 2 days, 3 days, 5 days program, full days. And they say that, okay, you come to this 5-day training, 5 days in a row, and you look at the content, you say, oh my God, I'm going to learn so much, right? It's very impressive. 5 days workshop to learn emotional intelligence. In 5 days, I would become an expert in emotional intelligence, right? I would be a different person. So you go there and your employer happily nominate you. You go to that program. It's a full day long training. So he kept aside your work or hand it over to someone else to take care. You are now fully focused on the training, right? It's offsite. So you're also enjoying the out of work environment and you spend first day. Very exciting. A lot of new ideas. You are very happy that you are learning because you did come across a lot of new ideas and concepts. And you excitedly go to second day's training. And again, some new stuff you enjoyed. But by the afternoon of the second day, you started to feel some fatigue. Third day was not as good. You are still there, but you are feeling or you are struggling to concentrate on the contents of the training. Third day. Fourth day, you wish you could go back. You still went there, but you were not learning. Your mind was somewhere else. You were quite feeling tired physically and mentally. And fifth day, you were actually dead. You are still there in the training, but you are almost dead. You still came back to work realizing or feeling that I learned a lot. I completed the 5 days training and I have become an expert on emotional intelligence. You get back and you have a lot of materials, digital or the folders. You brought it and you say, okay, now I got a possession of all this information. And let me take care of my work first, urgent matters. And then I'll find time to go through all that material and really implement and apply all those what I've learned in 5 days in my life, right? That was your sincere, honest intention. And then you got busy in your work. And you look a couple of times or that folders you brought from the training and say, okay, probably tomorrow or probably next week, I'm going to start. And the time started to pass by. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. By the fourth week, you started to feel less intensity about the commitment you made yourself. And by 5, you almost forgotten by the 5th or 6th week. And then you never were able to really recap or review the material and apply it. But you always felt that because you have learned something new, you have accomplished your objectives. Folks, this is what is happening in the corporate trainings. Millions and millions of dollars are being wasted. Now, many of you have gone to those trainings. So you know it, you know your experience. You do get some new information and knowledge, but that was not the objective. Your objective at this time of your career is not to really dump more information, more knowledge on you. The main idea of the training is to change in your behavior, change, become a leader. And most people do not get that opportunity to change their behavior. They do get dumped by the knowledge and information. So in this program, my biggest learning, if you could ask me, in all these batches was that those overdoses of learning and training do not work. What really works is the adult training is very different. In adult training, big doses do not work, small doses work. So younger people or young kids go to the school, college, university for all day long learning is fine. But for us, it doesn't work. What works is small doses consistently for a longer period of time. So we came to this magical recipe that look, 2 hours training every week, but for 50 weeks, if you do something consistently for 50 weeks, is bound to change your mindset, is bound to bring new habits. That is what happens. So that was my biggest learning. And since then, people still get surprised that 12 months is too long. How are you doing it? And I said, look, every time we do it, ask the participants, ask their feedback, what they are getting. And 90%, 90 to 95 actually feel that it has changed their mindset. In fact, it has changed their life in many cases.